All right, welcome back, guys. So I'm going to be sharing with you this very powerful strategy that I use to catch multiple spikes like a professional that I am. All right, this strategy is what I use to kill the market. Myself and my VIPs, we are making a lot of money. A lot of people are making a lot of money, and everybody's happy. All right, I can show you. Sorry for this delay. Let me quickly show you guys how we are doing over here, so you feel free to join us. I'm going to be sharing the link to this channel. All right, I'm going to be sharing the link to our telegram channel, so you can join us and be a part of what we are doing, guys. We are here winning all the time, guys. There is no day that passes by that we don't make a lot of profit. All right, there's no day that passes by that we don't make a lot of money trading the boom and crash, trading the VIX, trading step index, trading. We make a lot of money every day, guys. There's no limit to how much we make daily. All right, so I need you guys to be encouraged. I need you guys to join us. All right, but this is not the essence of this video. I'm trying to show you guys how to catch multiple spikes, so let's go right into it. All right, I need you guys to do me a favor, subscribe to this channel if you have not done that before, and let's grow together, guys. Let's move forward. Drop good reviews if you have been using our powerful and simple strategies. Drop good reviews, thumbs up, so that this video can go viral and meet and others can get to see it and be a part of what we are doing here, and also make money for themselves. Let's grow together. Let's be our brother's keepers. Let's do everything that we can do to make sure that everyone is growing. So in these powerful strategies, we are going to be using this powerful combination, guys. The more confluence you have, the more solid your setup, right? So I'm going to show you how to combine these powerful indicators, of course, with price action, guys. I always emphasize the need for you to be able to see the market direction, right? And price action can help you see the market direction just by looking at your charts. All right, indicator sometimes lags. I'm not going to lie to you. Nobody should lie to you. You don't deserve all of that. All right, so indicators sometimes follow price, and then you get to do something that you shouldn't do because you're looking at indicators, right? But if you combine these powerful indicators with your price action skill, trust me, guys, you will always get it right. All right, of course you will not always get it right all the time, but your wins will definitely be more than your losses, and that's what makes you a consistent, profitable trader, right? So these are the indicators we're going to be needing. All right, you can see on our main chart. On our main chart is the two moving averages, yeah. All right, so you can quickly add that up. You simply just click the excuse me. Simply just click the F sign on the main chart. All right, and you add your moving average. So these are the settings: period 50, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles 2 pixel. You can use any color that you want. You don't need levels for this, so as soon as you're done with that, you just click done. All right, go ahead and add the second one: period 20, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles 2 pixel. Use any color that is visible on your screen. You don't need any level, so you just click done. All right, after that, you're going to be needing moving relative strength index, your RSI. All right, so you simply add your RSI. You click. If you have not added that before, you're going to have to click here, and then you add your RSI, right? You add your RSI. These are the settings. All right, period 10, apply to close, styles 1 pixel, the levels 10, 20, 50, 80, and 90. All right, you can simply use 10, 20, 80, and 90. I forgot about the 50. Right, I always omit that part, except I just want to know, except I'm not looking at my chart. I just want to know where to take my profit and leave the charts, right? So you simply add that up and click done, and then you add the next one to your indicator window one. This time around, you're going to have to click here and not here, right? So you click your indicator window one, and then you add your stochastic oscillator. All right, in your indicator window one. So these are the settings. K period is 10, D period is 5, slowing is 5, price field is low, high, method simple, styles 1 pixel, signal, you can see all of that. So just choose the colors that best suits you, right? Colors that will be visible on your screen. My background is white, so I'm using a white background. So the level here is 20, 80, and 50. You add that and you simply click done, right? Okay, so now that you've set that up, let's go to business, right? As you can see, this trade is running right now. We're in massive profit. All right. I did not give this trade to my VIPs because I entered a little late. I only give high probability setup to my VIPs because they deserve to win every day, and that's what we are doing every day. So I didn't give this trade to them because I kind of noticed the trade. I saw the setup a little late. It was already gone already. It was already spiking already. So I didn't want it. Had it been I was available when I saw my price around this level, I would have taken the trade around this level and I would have given them and placed my stop loss below this level, right? So I entered this trade here, all right, because I'm sure I'm going to still see a couple of spikes before I'm out, but I don't want to give my VIPs the trade from this level and get to give them their SL around this level. That would be too far for people that have small accounts, all right? You know, we are in the business of growing accounts, whether small or big. We are in the business of growing accounts, so I only give high probability setup to our VIPs. All right, you can join. I'm going to drop the link. I'm going to drop the link to our free channel. You can see what is going on there. You can see for yourself. They're making a lot of money, guys. All right, you can be a part of us, guys. It's very affordable. All right, so let's get to this. Let's get to this, guys. So you can see this trade is running. We've got some spikes already. I'm going to go out soon, but let me just show you how this works. I hope to catch another spike before I go out though. So let me show you how this works, guys. So after you set up your indicators, right, you want to always apply price action. It's very mandatory for you to apply price action, guys. All right, don't depend solely on the indicators. All right, don't depend solely on the indicators. So you want to go to your higher time frame. All right, you want to go to your higher time frame to see the market direction. You want to see a series of higher highs for boom. This is for boom 1000. You want to see a series of higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher. You can see this is a high here, this is the low, this is a high, this is a higher low, this is another one that's forming here. All right, so I can tell the market is in a bullish direction, right? It's in an uptrend. Okay, so I now go to my lower time frame and I'll be looking for trading opportunities from my lower time frame. I'll be looking for buying opportunities because the market is in an uptrend and I'm looking to catch spikes, right? So this is what it is. You only catch spikes when the market is in the direction of your favor, right? If you see the market in your direction, then you can, let's say for boom 1000, boom 5, anything boom, you want to catch spikes on boom, you want to be buying. So you want to ensure that the market is in an uptrend, all right? And then you go to a lower time frame, you check for more, check for more confirmations. For me, what I do on a higher time frame is look for my key areas, my area of value where price is likely to reverse from. Of course, price action is going to help you do that. You check back in time, check back test and know how that level has been over time. Has price been reversing from that level every time? All right, also understand that if price reverses from that level too many times in a short while, it is also risky to want to enter from that level because it means that sellers at that point are putting too much pressure and they can break that support at any time and market might continue pushing down. All right, so you want to look at the area where price is likely to reverse from. You want to look back on your chart and see how price has been behaving at that area. All right, you want to see where there is multiple reversal over a long period of time, right? So that is your area of value. You want to place your support or resistance line around that area. If you use Fibonacci, I don't know which tool you use to decide your levels. All right, so whatever tool you use, you just make sure that you are doing the right thing. Okay, so you've spot out your area of values. You want to go to your lower time frame and wait for price to come to your area of value. All right, it's not good to rush the market. You don't rush the market, you allow the market to come to you. All right, the trend is your friend. Follow the trend. That's number one rule. All right, of course, identify the trend first. follow the trend, make sure you're not trading against the trend. So you want to wait for market to come to your area of value. For in this case, boom 1000 or boom anything boom, all right, we want to catch spikes, so we want to be buying. So we want to wait for price to come to your support, your key support, your area of value. Remember, you were able to identify it on your higher time frame, the 4 hours, the daily time frame. I use the 4 hours most times. I use the daily always too. So daily time frame, 4 hour time frame is okay for you. All right. So you've been able to identify the trend, the market direction. You've been able to identify the key reversal areas. Now you want to wait for price to come to that level, and then you want to see what the candlesticks is saying. Right. You want to see your candlestick charts, your patterns, your candlestick patterns. You want to see how whatever you want to see rejections. You want to see many reasons why you should actually buy from that level. You want to also be sure of your entry so that your stop loss cannot be too long. That's the reason why I did not give this trade to my VIPs. All right, as you can see, if not VIPs not take this trade, they're definitely going to make money today. All right, a lot of money is always made daily, guys. We make money daily, guys. We make money daily because we are sure of what we are doing. We are confident in our strategies. We follow it up. We learn every day. All right, as you can see, the people, the members here, they learn every day. There's no day they don't get to learn a thing or two. All right, so you can join us, be a part of us. I'll drop the link to this Telegram group on the description of this video. I'll also drop my direct WhatsApp number, so you can also reach out to me directly if you have any challenge or you want to join us. All right. So market price is in your area, and you've seen a couple of candlesticks telling you this or that. All right, so now it's time to go back to the lower time frame, right, and check your indicators. All right, so you see this trade here, right? You can see that this red line here was at this level. All right, it was at the oversold level here, the 20, the 10 level, and that's why you see. And also confluence, remember guys, confluence is key. All right, the more confluence, the more likely your setup to pull through successfully, right? So as you can see, this is the confluence here. The first one is price coming to my area of value on the higher time frame, and then the second one is my indicators meeting here. You can see this came to the oversold level here, and then you can also see that price on the main chart came, and then price came to the moving averages here, and then it started pushing up. All right, so you can see this here. You can see price here on the moving average here, and then what happened next is it started buying to the upside. These are spikes. All right, these are a lot of spikes here. Okay, so I can show you more examples. You can see at this point price came here to the oversold level. You can see the red line was at the oversold level here, and then you can see that this crossed. You can see that price crossed our moving average here, and then we tested that area. All right, and then you can see the push to the upside. It happens all the time, guys, and you can see what happens here when our indicator comes to the overbought level here. You can see price starts. You can see it starts coming down. So I can show you more, guys. I can show you more examples where this happens a lot. This happens almost all the time. All right, this is another example. This is another perfect example. At this point, price came here. Our indicator here came to the oversold level here, and then you can see the price also was around the price crossed over the moving average on the main chart. If you go to your higher time frame, you notice that price is at your area of value that you placed earlier. All right, so this happens all the time. This is very simple. This is very powerful. You just need to be able to combine all of this, and you have a powerful entry. To make good trades, and you go out with a lot of profits. All right, trading is not as difficult as people make it seem, but it is also very difficult if you don't follow the principles, you don't follow the steps, you don't follow guide. All right, so I'm here to coach you. All right, all you need to do is just chat me up. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number, the link to my WhatsApp on the description of this video, so you can chat me up. If you want to join our mentorship, we train people every month. All right, We take in students every month, and trust me, a lot of our students are already helping out on some of the signals on our VIPs, guys. Everybody's doing well and everybody's happy. All right, so feel free to talk to me about any challenges. You want to join our VIP, it's very affordable. You want to join the mentorship class, it's very affordable, guys. Mentorship is one-time payment for life. All right, we make sure we drill you to advanced level. We want to see you become professional. We want to see more testimonies. All right, it gives me more joy when people come to tell me how my strategies or how my training or how my signals has helped, help them grow financially. So this is what makes me happy. I'm waiting for you guys. Just hit me up. I'm available every time. Cheers, guys. Practice this strategy. Make sure it works for you perfectly before you apply on a real account. Make sure it works perfectly for you guys. All right, see you on another video.